Shirakawa-Go in Gifu prefecture was one of Japan's last unsettled places. This is from its deep remoteness, impassable mountainous terrain, and extreme winter snowfall. A place where its earliest settlers from the 8th century went for ascetic religious practices. A life to be one with nature and deliberate self-denying. As the village started to grow, isolation developed a unique culture of traditions such as the gasho-zukuri or gasho style roofs on the houses. This style represents two hands held together in prayer. The village slowly grew in popularity and also became a famous place where defeated samurai warriors would flee to, also known as a tradition still practiced today called Ochi Udo Densetsu. The 170-acre flat land on the banks of the large Sho River offered subsistence farming from the fertile soil and marketable products such as washi paper and silkworm farming for thread production for clothing. This self-sustaining peaceful place became multiple villages of several hundred houses and about 1,600 residents. Today it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with many of the houses actually still being lived in and offer overnight accommodations for tourists. Okay, we're in Hirase town near Shirakawa, and we just hit this onsen, outdoor onsen. It's got a nice Japanese garden here. It's kind of weird because you can kind of see people's houses, and you're like, you're wearing your birthday suit out here. But oh, that was invigorating! Just boiling hot, natural onsen water. And then there's actually snow on the top of the mountain there, but you just can't see it right now because of the fog. But what an amazing view, an amazing place. Okay, here's another onsen. We did two onsens in Hirase town, and this is smaller, but it's indoors. But oh, it was just boiling hot, so nice. It's got a pump. I'll turn it on for a second. It's got an aerator, so it's really nice. First, you just wash up, get yourself clean, and then you go on into here. But yeah. Just really nice. Nothing like mountain towns out in Japan that just have the best onsens.